Now we are going for Puppy Attack 2.
No. This is Puppy Attack 2. Whoa! No, whoa! Now you may remember these cute little fluffy puppets that we showed in Puppy Attack 1.
By the way, there's puppet. There's puppet number 1, and here's the cute little puppet on the show. Actually, this one is puppet number 2, because that one was born before this one.
Well, you don't know. It's the runt. You may think maybe. Which puppy is older? This one acts like the alpha dog.
Alpha dog.
And you can see it is on my foot, and it is fluffy. And this one is almost about to sniff Jilly's butt.
Yeah, that one's down.
Now let's stop talking and let's start playing.
Yeah, okay.
For these little puppies would like to play with us.
Yeah, because last time we didn't get to play Puppy Go Fly.
Because of the stupid.
We're gonna play.
Because of the stupid memory card.
And somebody is
Now let's watch the puppet slipping and slide and put Davis at risk. Hurry, Davis! You can make it! Before it's too late! You will be at risk! You're at risk. You're so at risk right now. You're at risk.
Help me!
It's the end of Davis Ingalls. Bye-bye, Davis!
No,
it's your doom. It's your doom. You're so at risk. Don't do that.
It was for my practice.
Let it bite your private for all I care. Don't hurt the puppy.
It's gonna bite my nuts. Are you kidding?
Yeah, I want it to bite your nuts. It's the end of Davis Ingalls.
Oh my God.
Don't hurt the puppy. Don't do that to its muzzle. Don't do that to the puppy. It won't be happy if you do that to the puppy.
Oh my God. I'm so at risk.
I'm not going to be put at risk. Here. My turn. Hold this. Facing. You know what to do. Davis, you see this thing? This is viewing. This.
Yeah, I see. Now those puppos, look. Let's look
Davis,
at them. Just look at them.
You know where to view the camera.
Yeah. Now, see those little...
No, you look at the screen.
No, I want to see them through there.
No, you can't.
Please?
I want you to go. Look.
Now,
just look through the
now
you
see those little cute puppos.
Oh.
Maddie, you are at risk, God.
I'm at risk.
Yeah, I can see you.
I'm at risk.
Hey, you're so at risk.
Puppy.
I can see you when you... Hey, Maddie, how do you zoom in?
You can't zoom in, Davis. I don't want you to.
How do you zoom in?
Ow, ow.
How do you zoom in?
This thing.
Zoom in. Zooming in on the puppets.
Okay, back to me.
No,
Back to me. Okay, let's go.
Now, let's play.
Hold on a second. Unzoom. Davis, you are going to be so at risk. Bye-bye. Davis, I want you to run like a Yeti, like a banshee, all the way over there. It's trying to hurt you. Don't ever grab on their muzzles. If you do, Davis, I will hurt you. Now go. Run like a banshee. Look at this puppet.
The biting warrior.
The biting warrior of the world.
Run like a banshee.
Run like a banshee.
Now we're going back to me. Okay, here we go again.
Well, at least you cleaned the air on it. That's a lot, Davis.
Oh my God.
Davis, you are... David singles. I can't even say how much at risk you are. Slide for your life. David, you're so at risk. These puppies want to attack you.
Wrapped my head, are you kidding?
Look at that puppet. It slided down beautifully.
The apple pie puppet! Oh my goodness!
David, do what you were doing before sliding on your head.
No, I don't want to kill myself.
Do it. 5, 4, 3, 2. Do it. Do it. Do it. Do it. Do it. No, David, it's what you were doing before with your head forward.
No, girl, this could be at risk even more.
Who cares? David, please.
Okay, pop like an eagle. You pop.
Hop it like an eagle.
The ones are
Forward, forward, forward. Forward, and you're lying down.
on my belly.
Yes, please. Bye-bye, baby butt. Bye-bye, baby buttkins. Come on, baby buttkins. You can do it.
Survive it.
Don't do that. You're ruining out the fun.
I got the neck. Oh my God.
Don't, not the muscle.
Oh my God. Oh.
Let it bite your nuts if it has to. Let it puppy at least.
I survived it.
That sucks. Davis, go. Let it slide down. Slide down. Hurry.
Okay, I'm taking this way. Snuggle bunch. It's a puppet snuggle bunch.
On your big butt.
And I'm going in on the puppy. Woo, 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 woo.
That was gross.
No.
I'm going to have to upload this monster to YouTube.
What is that?
Davis, please put yourself at risk.
What is that?
The puppy! Go south. Davis, run all the way over there so I may film.
What is that? Take the
Go over there, Davis. There.
that.
Davis! Go this way.
Ready to the south.
Puppy. Oh my goodness.
Before you even know it, you see me come running back.
Davis, please put yourself at risk. Where's the other puppy?
It's right there.
Where? No, Jilly.
Right there.
I don't see the puppy.
Right there. It's right under me.
Aw, puppy is under there.
Okay, puppy, go to the slide. Go to the slide, puppy. Come on, puppy. Puppy, come on, puppy. See, look, there's the voice.
It has returned. Put yourself at risk, please, Davis. No. Head first. Head first.
Ow.
Please head first. No, you're going to be boring.
Oh, no.
5, 4.
Oh, God. Oh, God. Oh, God. Oh, my God.
Don't.
I'm really at risk.
You are so at risk.
I need a puppy to chill.
Anyway, we have to go. Bye-bye.